You've probably heard it before, we only use 10% of our brain. It's one of those facts that gets tossed around at parties, in movies, and even in classrooms, as if it's some kind of deep, mysterious truth about human potential. Sounds mysterious, right? Like there's a hidden chamber in your head full of untapped psychic powers, waiting for you to stumble on the secret code. It's the kind of idea that makes you wonder if you're just one step away from unlocking superhuman abilities, if only you could figure out how. Well, here's the truth, it's completely wrong. The 10% myth is just that, a myth. Neuroscience has proven, with colorful high-res brain scans, that we use 100% of our brain. Modern technology lets us peek inside the living brain, and what we see is a constant buzz of activity, not a vast wasteland of unused tissue. Just not all at once. Let me explain. Your brain is like a city at night. Different neighborhoods light up depending on what's happening, but the whole city is alive and working. When you talk, solve a puzzle, or even just daydream about what's for lunch, different parts of your brain light up. Each activity, no matter how simple or complex, calls on a unique network of brain cells to get the job done. fMRI scans show that something as basic as tying your shoes activates multiple brain regions at the same time. Even the most routine tasks require a symphony of brain areas working together. Movement, memory, attention, and coordination all play a part. Each area has a specialty. Movement, memory, emotions, vision, you name it, your brain's got a zone for it. It's like a team of experts, each handling their own department, but always communicating and collaborating. There's no single giant unused section. Every part of your brain has a job, and if it didn't, evolution would have trimmed it away long ago. Honestly, if 90% of your brain wasn't working, you'd be in serious trouble. In fact, damage to even a small area can have dramatic effects on your ability to move, speak, or remember. So, where did this weird idea come from? Why do so many people still believe it? Some blame early psychologists in the 1920s, who vaguely hinted at untapped potential in the human mind. They never meant we only use 10%, but their words got twisted over time. Then came headlines twisting the idea, and suddenly, everyone thinks there's a secret stash of gray matter just waiting to be unlocked. The media loves a good story, and this one was too tempting to resist. Motivational speakers loved it. It became a rallying cry for self-improvement and unlocking your potential. And Hollywood? Movies like Lucy or Limitless ran wild with the myth, giving characters superhuman powers just by unlocking their extra brain. It's a great plot device, but it's pure science fiction. But real neuroscientists? They're facepalming right now. They spend their lives studying the brain, and they know just how hard every part works, every single day. Here's what's actually cooler than the fiction. Your brain is already a full-time powerhouse. It's more complex and capable than any computer we've ever built. Every corner, every fold, every tiny cell is working for you, day and night. Even when you're asleep, your brain is busy cleaning up, storing memories, and keeping your body running smoothly. Does that mean you can't improve your brain? Nope. The truth is, your brain is always changing, always adapting. You can absolutely boost your brain power, just not by flipping a magic switch. What works? Sleep well. Move your body. Eat nutritious foods that fuel your mind. Challenge yourself with new languages or hobbies, and meditate. Try something creative like painting or music. All of these habits help your brain build stronger connections, improve focus, and keep your memory sharp. The more you use your brain, the more powerful and flexible it becomes. So next time you hear someone say, you're only using 10% of your brain, you'll know the real story. You can set the record straight, and maybe inspire someone to take better care of their amazing brain. If you've ever heard the 10% myth and now know it's busted, hit like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more science truth bombs. Let's spread real knowledge, not old myths. You're not using just 10% of your brain. Pause. Confident tone. You're using 100% every day in ways you might not even realize. You're using all of it, just like evolution intended. And that's the real superpower.